The security landscape is constantly changing. Physical access control systems, once considered top of the line, are now vulnerable. So how can you build a highly secure system that is easily scalable? Meet the Open Supervised Device Protocol. OSDP allows access control systems to create secure communication between card readers and door controllers by supporting high-end AES 128 encryption. By using just 2 data wires for connecting card readers, door strikes, and alarm contact functions, OSDP reduces labor and material costs. It also allows for 10 times the distance between devices, meaning fewer installations. With OSDP, bidirectional controllers not only receive information from the readers, they also send information like display alerts and malfunction notifications. But will you have the flexibility when upgrading your current system? OSDP's interoperability allows you to connect controllers and readers from different manufacturers, as well as from legacy protocols. With user-friendly features and installation options, an access control system using OSDP not only ensures security today, it also makes it easier to stay ahead of threats in the future.